here, son. Give me your hand. Come on. Come on, Papa. Give me your hand. I don't have much power. I don't have much power. I don't have much power left on my look. I don't have much power left on my phone. Okay? Look it. There he is. Why are you looking at my screen?
I don't know.
Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. I don't need you running off. It gets too loud. I need you to stay with me because it gets too loud and I don't want something dangerous to happen. You're safer with me. If something happens, I need you by me. Yeah, but let's stay still real quick, okay? Stay still. Okay, Papa, turn around. Turn around. Turn around.